For businesses wanting to realize the full benefits of XR and the industrial metaverse, it is essential to consider how end-user experiences can be provided successfully every time. Central to this consideration is how existing 3D design data is processed and made ready for use. Non-optimized strategies can introduce unplanned costs linked to manual data preparation and may harm user adoption, diminishing return on investment. TheoremXR maximizes data processing efficiency by providing an automated and scalable solution for optimizing 3D design data, making it ready for use across XR devices, visualization systems, or within XR development workflows. By providing a central optimization engine, XR adoption is made simple. For large organizations where data consistency, IT standards, and user adoption can pose a challenge, TheoremXR provides a robust model for enterprise deployment. With no manual data manipulation or complex coding required, end-user rollout is as easy as drag and drop or saving directly from existing software applications using predefined data options, allowing teams to focus on core business tasks. Supporting leading design formats and XR devices, TheoremXR also provides a future-proof solution. As new devices come to market and software portfolios evolve, TheoremXR's neutral product architecture allows businesses to continually develop and realize the full potential of XR. Data preparation is the foundation of a successful and fully optimized XR ecosystem, unlocking the downstream potential of 3D data for use in proven XR user experiences. To learn how TheoremXR could benefit your business, please contact Theorem today. We look forward to hearing from you.